So I'm in another hotel on this cross-country road trip that I'm doing, and this time I'm in Dallas. This is my first time in Dallas, and so far I am really liking it here. I am staying at the Hampton Inn & Suites downtown Dallas. This hotel has been great. It's kind of like a upscale Hampton Inn & Suites. It has like a nice downtown vibe to it and a historic building. The rooms are very, very nice, very modern. The staff has been great, especially the valet service people. I mean, one of the guys is so friendly, and even today we saw him in the lobby, and we're actually about to go to the elevator, and we didn't notice him, and he actually was like, hey friends, I just want to say hi. And I thought that was so nice of him. I just love friendly service like that, where it makes you feel like they're all your friends. So check-in was really good yesterday. We checked in yesterday around 8:30 p.m. It's valet service and it's $45 a night. So yeah, it's not cheap, but it's either that or you self-park somewhere, which I don't even know where to self-park around here. And even if I did have to if there was an option to do that, there's so much luggage that I have with me. So it'd just be such a hassle to carry all that from a parking garage to the hotel. So valet service was the best option for me. But yeah, as soon as I pulled up in the valet service area, valet parking area, somebody came up to me right away and took my luggage, and that nice man I was talking about earlier, gotta get his name. You don't remember his name, do you? Yeah, we're gonna have to get his name later because he's so great. He definitely deserves positive feedback because he just goes out of his way to be so friendly. When I checked in online, or when I reserved the room online, I did ask for a high floor away from the elevator. She said there was a high floor available, but it was near the elevator, so I actually like to take the other option of getting away from the elevators, just because in my experience, a lot of hotels, when you stay by the elevator, there's a lot of noise and commotion, and Kuma doesn't like to have a lot of commotion going around her area, so she tends to bark a lot. So to avoid that, I like to request for a room away from the elevators. And yes, Kuma is with me, my dog, and she's going along on this road trip with me. So I'm looking for all pet-friendly hotels along this route. And this hotel is pet-friendly. As far as pet relief area, there is none because it is downtown. So it's really hard to find a pet relief area. There is a park a block away that you can go to. I think it's called the Main Square Garden. Other than that, there's some little mulch areas that your pet can relieve themselves at. Kuma actually is surprising me on this trip because she is just going on the cement. She never used to do that. She always had to find a patch of grass or mulch or something, some kind of softness. But this time around, she's just I'm a city dog now, and she's just peeing on the cement, on the sidewalks. Crosswalks. She's just, doing it wherever she wants to go. So yeah, she is toughing it out. She is a tough dog now. I did not know this about Kuma, and I'm very proud of her. So amenities here, there is a fitness center, there is an indoor pool, business center, and a laundry. This time around, we're using the self-laundry room or self-service laundry room. And Tyrone just used it. We just use the washer, and then we hang dry our clothes. But the washer was $2.50. But they take cards, so you don't have to worry about getting coins or anything. Checked out the gym. It looks really nice. You have a city downtown view while riding the bike or treadmill, elliptical. There's a whole bunch of treadmill and bikes lined up against the window, which was really nice. And then they have a separate section with dumbbells and medicine balls and all that other stuff. So there's it's really spacious, and they have towels for you too to wipe yourself down. They have sanitizing wipes as well. So I ended up getting room 1103. It's the 11th floor, and it is the room furthest away from the elevator. But yeah, let me get into the room review. Actually, I'll start off with the view here. It's actually really nice. It's one of the nicest hotel view rooms I've had. We get the nice downtown view with the skyscrapers all around us. So kind of digging this view. A nice area here, a big ledge where you can store some of your stuff. And this is our bed. I got a king size room. So we have one large king bed. And Kuma is enjoying it right now. How is it? Are you watching some TV? Yeah? Okay, and then each side of the bed has some outlets and a lamp. This lamp actually had an outlet and a USB port to it, but didn't work. But it was okay because there's two outlets and another USB port below that. So I'm using that. And same kind of deal on the other side, except there's a phone and an alarm clock on that end. And then in front of the bed are these two square ottoman things, and I am laying all my luggage here. And across from the bed is a working desk and a TV console there. And below that is a microwave and a fridge. This fridge though does not work very well. It doesn't get that cold and it leaks. So I've been like having water drip on some of the containers here. This is all Kuma's food because I make her like homemade food now and trying to take it along with me for like a week. So the working desk area has a coffee machine and there is decaf and regular coffee and some napkins and sugar and all that stuff. There are outlets here too by the coffee machine, 2 outlets and a USB port. And over here, I use this like little corner to store Kuma's food. This is where her water bowl and food bowl is. And then there is a closet here. And we're hanging up some of our clothes. There's an extra pillow and blanket up there. Ironing board, an iron back there. And, oh, there's a luggage rack here too, but we're actually using that right now to dry some clothes. And this bathroom is actually really spacious. So here's the sink area, nice large window, nice large mirror, big sink counter area. There's a dryer below. They provide lots of towels, and I actually asked for extra towels earlier and they came about 30 minutes after I called them. But you can also pick it up at the front if you want. But if you need extra things, it says here, if you forgot to pack a comb, toothbrush, toothpaste, yada yada, stop by our front desk for a complimentary replacement. And also there's another sign here that says housekeeping services are provided every other day. If you need anything else, you just call or message guest services, which I did. Below is some hand soap and body lotion. That's the toilet over there. This is the shower. Shower was really nice. You get the rain head shower, and then you get the regular shower head. And then like Hampton Inn and Suites uses this 0% or just zero brand shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. And it's a nice size, you know, standing shower stall. And Candy would love this. There's a footrest here where you can shave your legs. Oh, they have like one hook here to hang your stuff. I wish these hotel bathrooms had more hooks. That would be really useful. Also, this sliding door is a full-length mirror too. So if you need a full-length mirror to check out your outfit, got one here. Oh, also this hotel, they do have a ice machine and water machine combined. So it's actually right outside of our hotel room in the hallway there. So I'm just gonna zoom in there. Yeah. So that's been really convenient to have that. We've just been refilling our water there. I forgot to mention the breakfast here. So there is complimentary breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And it's actually a really nice breakfast area. It almost feels like a, I don't know, kind of like a contemporary restaurant or something. And you know, they have the usual waffle station. They have hot foods like eggs and what is it, sausage, I believe. There's also like grits, oatmeal, one or the other two, or both, cereals, breads. The special thing here was their waffles were shaped as Texas. So they're like Texas shaped waffles, which I thought was a nice touch. I love that Texas does that. They have waffles shaped as their state. They're just so proud of their state. And there's actually a Starbucks here too, connected to the hotel. So I forgot what time they open, but by the time I went downstairs today around 7 a.m. they're already open. So yeah, if you like Starbucks, that's really nice. And I think that's about it that I can think of right now. But yeah, I think it's a great hotel. I've enjoyed it so far, and I think everybody else has that's with me. So I think we're all happy campers. So yeah, if you're looking for a place to stay, and oh, I know what else I was gonna say. I keep on forgetting. So yeah, the reason why I picked this hotel too is because it was a 5-minute walk to the at&t Discovery area, which is kind of has like all these like cool digital light displays, and it's sponsored by at&t. And right next to that, there's this place called Exchange. It's like a food hall. So we have lots of eateries to choose from, and I believe there's like a restaurant there too. Also around this place, there's lots of bars and other eateries. We actually checked out a place last night called Bourbon and Banter, but it was like a speakeasy underground bar, which was really cool. So yeah, you have lots of choices when it comes to those kinds of things like bars and a little bit of attraction, some art, things like that. So, okay, I think I'm finally done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.